If you're trying to open a Roblox experience and you get the message, "This experience is not accessible because it is unrated," that usually means your privacy or parental control settings are blocking the game. Before we start, remember that you can't bypass these restrictions if your account is managed by a parent or admin. Those accounts use a PIN, and without that PIN, you won't be able to change anything. But if it's your own account and no one manages it, here's what to do. First, close Roblox completely. Then, open your browser, go to the Roblox website, and sign in. Click the gear icon on the top right and open your settings. Go to the privacy section and look for the option that says account restrictions are enabled. If that switches on, turn it off. After that, go to the parental control section and check the allowed experiences setting. Make sure it's set to the right age group for your account. If you're an adult, choose the all ages option. This is important because choosing an age you're not eligible for can expose you to content that isn't safe. After updating the settings, try opening the experience again. If everything was misconfigured, it should work normally now. But if it doesn't, there are a few simple things to try on your device. Open Task Manager, find any Roblox processes that might still be running in the background, and close them. Restart your PC to clear any stuck sessions. Turn off any VPN you're using because it can interfere with Roblox's age rating system. And make sure you're not opening multiple experiences at the same time. Always close one before launching another. If you're using the Roblox Player app from the Microsoft Store and you still get the error, close the app and try running it as an administrator. Go to the Roblox installation folder, right-click the Roblox player, and choose Run as Administrator. Sometimes Windows blocks certain features on standard accounts, so running as admin can fix the problem instantly. And if that works, you can set it to always run as admin afterwards. That's how you fix the experience is not accessible because it is unrated error on Roblox. If this helped you out, feel free to check out the channel for more quick Roblox fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.